We've seen one of the biggest Bitcoin sell-offs in history, as some of the OG whales are rotating out of their position. But could this actually be a good thing? So in the last few weeks, there have been some staggeringly large Bitcoin sales. The most notable of these was, of course, the Satoshi era whale that transferred their 80,000 BTC to Galaxy Digital to realise around $9.5 billion worth of profit. Though what really raised eyebrows about this sale was that Bitcoin's price barely flinched. It was fully absorbed. The Bitcoin financial services firm Swan pointed out that this has been the biggest and longest rotation from old holders to new in Bitcoin's history. Which isn't all that surprising given that many of these OG Bitcoiners have thousands of Bitcoin that are now worth billions of dollars. But the question then becomes, why isn't the price of BTC in complete freefall? Well, because there is still an insatiable appetite for Bitcoin. It's just coming from an entirely new angle. Ryan McMillan, the chief investment officer at Merkle Tree Capital, told us at Cointelegraph, Bitcoin moving from these old wallets, early adopters, cypherpunks and libertarian techies to institutions and ETFs is a sign of market maturity and integration with the financial system. This is the point that Swan is driving home too. They're calling this a generational shift, and it's why many people are saying that we've seen the end of the 4-year cycle. Swan wrote, "Volatility is compressing, demand is steady, buyers are disciplined, we may be leaving the boom-bust era behind." They added that, "If you're still waiting for a 2021 style blow-off top, you might miss the next 10x, because the next move may not come from euphoria. It'll come from the slow burn of capital rotating, consolidating, and locking in for the next decade." So while many are framing this historic sell-off by original Bitcoin whales as panic, it might just be a changing of the guard. And so the question for Bitcoiners is, are you staying for the new era?